In the heart of the gospel, Jesus Christ, though never uttering the words, "I am God," profoundly proclaimed his divinity. In John 10:30 he declared, "I and the Father are one," prompting the Jews to accuse him of blasphemy. This reaction reveals their understanding of his divine claim, as stunning was the penalty for such a declaration, according to Leviticus 24:16. Jesus further asserted his deity in John 8:58. "Before Abraham was born, I am." The Jews recognized this as a claim to be Yahweh, the eternal I am of Exodus 3:14. Similarly, John 1:1-14 gloriously speaks of Jesus as the Word, who was with God and was God, manifesting his divine nature in human form. His disciples, too, witnessed his deity. After the resurrection, Thomas, once doubting, professed Jesus as my Lord and my God, John 20:28, a truth Jesus himself accepted. In moments like walking on water and appearing post-resurrection, his disciples worshipped him, a testament to their recognition of his divine identity, despite the Mosaic law's stance against blasphemy. The New Testament further solidifies Jesus' deity. Paul anticipated the glorious return of our great God and Savior, Jesus Christ, Titus 2:13. Both Paul and John affirmed Jesus as the Creator, aligning with Genesis 1:1, thus underscoring his divine essence. Even God the Father acknowledged Jesus as God, fulfilling the prophecy of Psalm 45:6. Jesus, through his words, miracles, and resurrection, unequivocally demonstrated his divine nature. His death on the cross, far from being a mere human sacrifice, was the infinite, holy offering of God himself, capable of atoning for the sins of all humanity. This profound truth, once grasped, reveals the depth and necessity of Christ's sacrificial love.